You are not incapable. You are not lazy. You are just overwhelmed. Hello again, my people. Welcome back to the Mompreneur podcast, a space for women who are ready to reset their lives, build their confidence, and become the better version of themselves. If that's you, this episode is for you. I am Clarice, your host, the Mompreneur, and your guide in this journey of transformation. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode. Let's be real. You are thinking about the money, thinking about the career, thinking about the family, thinking about the marriage, your mental clarity, thinking about your body, your health. And in the middle of all of those, you got lost. Your discipline disappeared. Your structure got lost. And slowly, you started to lose your confidence. Before we even go deeper, let me just apologize. Let me apologize for not being consistent here, for disappear on you guys. This is the very first episode of the year. To be honest, I was resetting too. I was becoming who I am today. I was working on some stuff behind the scene so that I can come back with intention. When I'm here, it's because I want to give you something that will help you move forward. That is what I call a reset. I am back, and this year, we are going to reset our lives together. You are not alone. You are with me. Exciting news. In that little moment I had with myself, I wrote a book and I launched it on Women's Day, March 8th, this year, 2026. And let me share with you a little bit of how it went. A few years ago, I was that busy woman working full time, 9 to 5. I was starting my business career. I started Sublime Events and Decor. I had kids in a big transition from home, one to preschool, another one first grade. All parents can understand how that difference or that transition can change the rhythm of a family. I tried my best. I was trying to find a balance. I was doing what I could. I was busy. And sometimes we get busy and sometimes that busyness does not pay off. And you sit down and you feel like, am I doing a business or I'm doing busyness? So from there, I decided to sit back and do the reset and pay attention to some of the areas. For me, I call 3 pillars of life, and I assume if you succeed in those 3 pillars, you might be able to succeed in all other domain of life. That's why I decided to do the reset in health, in money, and mindset. And these are interdependent. For me, if you have no health, like if you're not healthy, I assume you wouldn't be able to make that money. I don't know if that makes sense. And also, if you don't have that mindset to align and make sure you manage what you have, make sure you have that courage to track each and everything in your life, you will actually lose even the little you had. So to move, to shift, to realign, it starts from your head, your mindset, your personal development, how mature you are in the decisions you make. So from there, I decided to focus on those three pillars and assume that each and everyone, if she could be able to master those, you can be able to succeed in life. When women are aligned, the environment changes. When women are aligned, the next generation changes. I have very emotional part I have to share. When I was writing this book, my kids were watching. They were watching, and I was touched by how they decided to copy me and write their own comic book in their little kids' way. My kids, Briella and Levi, I'm so proud of you. Also, there is no way I could be standing in front of you without the support. I want to recognize my husband, Jacques. Can you say hi to my people? Thank you for creating me space to grow. Thank you for creating me space to be creative, to write this book. Thank you for being with me in all seasons of life. Where I was misaligned, where I was aligned, you were there no matter what. I recognize that. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I love you. All right, my people. That was a short from the book launch speech. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to share with you a little bit of what happened in the book launch, even though you were not there or you did not get a chance to attend. I hope you liked it. And let's get back to today's episode. The book was launched on Women's Day. It was amazing. And also, if you haven't purchased your copy, please go ahead and get it. It's on Amazon, and I will link the book in the description box below. Also, you can ask me questions. You can comment. I will make sure to get back to you. And also, you can message me on all my social medias, and I can guide you how to get your copy. Let's get back to the episode. Your life does not change because you want more. It changes when you move differently. Small shifts like managing your time, managing your money, taking care of your body, protecting your mindset. That's what helps you to move from one step to another one. That is what I call a reset. Don't worry. It's not fixing everything at the same time. And a reset is not starting over. A reset is realigning. A reset is making you become the better version of yourself. Because who you want to be is already within you. You just need little daily habits, little things to shift, to move, to move from this level to another level. I want to tell you that each and everyone has specific thing that he needs to change or she needs to change. You need to identify your identity. Who do you want to become? Who are you? Who are you? Who were you called to be on this earth? And work on that and become that. Become that woman you've been dreaming to become. Do you want to be in shape? Work on it. Do you want to be leveled up career-wise? Go to school. Do you want to get more money? Work on that. What do you want? Where in your domain of life you need to change? Do you need to change your daily habits? Do you want to wake up early? Do you want to sleep early? Do you want to be there for your children as much as you can? Like, do you want to improve on your quality time? Do you want to improve on your self-care? Where do you want to shift, to reset? And don't pressure yourself. Work on it slow by slow with guided, repetitive actions. Build your habit, and then your habit will become your lifestyle. That is what I was learning, and I am so excited that I'm going to share everything that helped me to become who I am today. In summary, only 3 things that I call 3 pillars of life helped me to become who I am today. It's knowing how to manage your money, knowing how to take care of your body and pay attention to it, and your mindset, your discipline, and your daily habit. So please share with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash the notification bell, so all the time when I upload episode, you will be the first person to see it. Today it was intro of the year. I hope you guys are enjoying 2026. I hope you guys are ready, getting deeper into your vision for this year, and I'm even here to help you achieve your goals as soon as possible. All right, my people, thank you for being here with me today. Just to remember, the life you want is on the other side of the discipline you are trying to avoid. I love you all. See you next time.